Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Ever ordered dinner online or eagerly awaited a package? That's the power of the delivery business, and it's booming. People love convenience. In 2024, starting a delivery business is a hot opportunity. You can deliver anything from food to flowers, groceries to gifts. Think about what people need. Consider your own neighborhood. What's missing? What could be delivered? Maybe there's no late-night cookie delivery or a service for delivering art supplies. Find your niche and become the go-to delivery expert. Remember, the delivery world is competitive, but don't be discouraged. With hard work, planning, and the right legal structure, like an LLC, you can succeed. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and deliver success. Starting a business can feel like jumping into a pool without knowing how to swim. That's where an LLC comes in, your trusty life preserver. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a legal structure that protects your personal assets, like your house or car, from business debts and lawsuits. Imagine this: you're delivering a cake and accidentally trip, damaging the cake. If you're operating as a sole proprietor, without an LLC, you could be held personally liable. This means your personal savings are at risk. With an LLC, your business is treated as a separate entity. So in the unfortunate cake incident, only your business assets are on the line, not your personal ones. LLCs offer peace of mind, allowing you to focus on growing your delivery empire without unnecessary worry. Setting up an LLC might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think. Here's a simple breakdown. First, choose a business name. Pick a name that's catchy, memorable, and reflects your delivery niche. Next, file articles of organization. This document officially registers your LLC with your state. You can usually do this online, and there's a filing fee. Then, get an EIN. An employer identification number is like a social security number for your business. You'll need it for taxes and banking. After that, open a business bank account. Keep your business and personal finances separate. This makes accounting and tax time a breeze. Finally, obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your location and what you're delivering, you might need specific permits or licenses. Check with your local and state authorities. Congratulations! You've built the legal foundation for your delivery business. Now, it's time to hit the road and start delivering. LLCs aren't just about protection. They offer a treasure chest of benefits for delivery businesses. Limited liability. As we discussed, your personal assets are safe from business debts and lawsuits. Tax advantages. LLCs enjoy pass-through taxation, meaning profits and losses are reported on your personal income tax return. This avoids the double taxation faced by corporations. Credibility. Having LLC in your business name adds legitimacy and builds trust with customers. Flexibility. LLCs offer management flexibility, allowing you to structure your business in a way that works best for you. By forming an LLC, you're not just starting a business, you're building a secure and scalable enterprise set up for long-term success. Section 5, Delivery Success, Tips from the Frontline. Now that you have the legal groundwork covered, let's talk strategy. Here are some insider tips to make your delivery business a home run. Know your market. Understand your target customers, their needs, and their preferred delivery times. Price competitively. Research your competition and find a pricing strategy that's attractive to customers while ensuring profitability. Build a strong online presence. Create a website and utilize social media to reach a wider audience. Invest in reliable transportation. Whether it's a car, bike, or van, ensure your delivery vehicle is dependable and fuel efficient. Provide exceptional customer service. Prompt deliveries, friendly interactions, and going the extra mile will turn customers into loyal fans. Remember, in the delivery business, speed, reliability, and a smile go a long way. Section 6. Fueling growth. Funding your delivery business. Every business needs fuel to run, and that fuel is often capital. Here are a few ways to fund your delivery startup. Bootstrapping. Start small, reinvest profits, and grow organically. Small business loans. Look into loans specifically designed for startups. The Small Business Administration, or SBA, offers excellent resources. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo, allow you to raise funds from a large pool of individuals interested in your idea. Angel investors. These individuals invest in startups in exchange for equity. They can provide valuable mentorship along with funding. Remember, securing funding is about crafting a compelling story. Clearly articulate your business plan, target market, and growth potential to attract investors. Section 7. Marketing magic. Getting the word out. You've got the goods, but how do you get people excited about your delivery service? It's time to unleash the power of marketing. Local focus. Target your local community through flyers, local partnerships, and community event sponsorships. Social media savvy. Engage with potential customers on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Share mouth-watering photos, run contests, and offer exclusive deals. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters with promotions and updates. Referral programs. Encourage existing customers to spread the word by offering them discounts for referring new clients. Remember, marketing is about building relationships and creating a buzz around your brand. Get creative and let your personality shine through. Section 8. Technology power, streamlining your delivery operations. In the digital age, technology is your secret weapon for delivery domination. Here's how to harness its power. Delivery management software. Streamline orders, track deliveries in real time, and optimize routes for efficiency. GPS tracking. Provide customers with real-time updates on their delivery status, enhancing transparency and building trust. Online ordering platforms. Partner with platforms like Uber Eats or DoorDash to expand your reach and tap into a ready-made customer base. Mobile payment solutions. Offer convenient payment options like Apple Pay or Google Pay for seamless transactions. By embracing technology, you'll streamline operations, improve customer experience, and gain a competitive edge. Section 9. Customer first, delivering happiness every time. In the delivery business, customer service is king. Here's how to create a customer-centric experience. On-time delivery. Time is precious. Make punctuality a top priority and keep customers informed about any delays. Friendly interactions. A smile and a friendly greeting can go a long way. Train your delivery personnel to be courteous and professional. Problem resolution. Mistakes happen. Handle complaints swiftly and effectively, turning a negative experience into a positive one. Go the extra mile. Small gestures like a handwritten thank you note or a complimentary item can create a lasting impression. Remember, happy customers are repeat customers. Invest in creating a positive experience, and they'll become your biggest advocates. Section 10. Staying ahead, trends shaping the future of delivery. The delivery landscape is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the curve, keep an eye on these trends. Sustainability, eco-friendly delivery options like electric vehicles and reusable packaging are in high demand. Drone delivery. While still in its early stages, drone delivery has the potential to revolutionize last-mile delivery, especially in urban areas. Personalization. Customers increasingly expect personalized experiences. Consider offering tailored delivery options or curated product bundles. Data-driven optimization. Leverage data analytics to optimize routes, enhance efficiency, and personalize marketing efforts. By embracing innovation and adapting to changing consumer preferences, your delivery business will thrive in the years to come. Section 11. Ready, set, deliver. Your entrepreneurial journey begins. Starting a delivery business in 2024 is exciting and rewarding. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful and fulfilling venture. Remember, protect yourself with an LLC. It's the foundation for a secure and scalable business. Embrace technology, streamline operations, and enhance customer experience. Prioritize customer service. Happy customers are your best advertisement. Now, it's time to put your plan into action. Get out there, deliver exceptional service, and watch your delivery business flourish.